Wait, before you scroll, did you know some Ghanaian stocks jumped over 7% in a single day? And one has gained 200% this year? If you're a young investor or even just curious, this update could be a game changer for you. What happened today on the Ghana Stock Exchange? The market had another strong day. The overall market, called the GSE Composite Index, went up 0.34%. The financial index also grew 0.57%, driven by two big players, Societe Generale Ghana and Cal Bank. This shows investors are buying more bank stocks right now, the big winners or top gainers. Here's where things get exciting. Societe Generale Ghana's price jumped from GHS 4.20 to GHS 4.50. That's a 7.14% gain in one day. Cal Bank price moved from GHS 0.37 to 0.38. Small increase, 2.70%, but backed by very strong trading activity. MTN Ghana, small gain of 0.24%, but steady movement shows investor confidence. No stock recorded a decline today, meaning the entire market was stable or rising. Which stocks had the most trading activity? Sal Bank traded over 1.18 million shares, MTN Ghana about 133,160 shares, and 17,156 shares of Societe Generale Ghana. This is not financial advice, it's for education only. Always research before investing. Which of these stocks would you consider investing in, Cal Bank, MTN, or Societe Generale? Comment in the section below. Don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe for more investment tips.